Several different stories, one violent night, and prosecutors calling last month's melee downtown a vicious and violent attack. Defense attorneys say it was a drunken brawl.
Yeah, and today 5 of the 6 defendants went before the judge today for the first time since those indictments. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson live for us outside of the courtroom with more on exactly what happened today. Hi, Karen.
Yeah, hey, Sherry. Judge Alan Triggs arraigned each defendant individually. Even though they've all been indicted on the same charges, felonious assault, and aggravated rioting. One defense attorney said, please make sure that you consider each defendant and consider the arguments separately.
The video shows when some of the individuals go on the ground, Mr. Merriweather walks away.
Montanez Merriweather was the first to be arraigned today. He is the one who was actually out on bond in a separate weapons case when the downtown assault took place. Judge Triggs kept his bond at $500,000, the highest of all of the defendants. The 2 women defendants, Dakira Vernon and Aisha Devon, had theirs lowered to $25,000 and are allowed to post 10%. Aside from the bond issue, we also heard more details about what allegedly happened from the prosecutor. Defense attorneys, though, disagreed with the prosecutor's story.
Throughout the short duration of this case, several defense counsels said that racial epithets were thrown at these people. That was 1 minute and 47 seconds into this brutal beatdown. Were the words said? Yes. Were they inappropriate? Absolutely. But these poor people were being assaulted, stomped, WWE-style elbow drops onto pavement.
This is a typical fist fight case that you have in Cincinnati time and time again. This case is being treated differently and inappropriately because of race and people trying to acquire and obtain political gain for their selfish reasons.
Prosecutors also addressed that slap today, the slap that everyone is talking about, the one where you see the white guy slapping one of the defendants, Jermaine Matthews. And the prosecutor said that actually happened 47 seconds into the assault. The prosecutor said it happened after one of the victims was assaulted. Reporting live downtown, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
Yeah, I think that's why so many people are just saying, okay, how did all of this start? And of course, the chief is saying we got to wait for the investigation to be complete. Karen, I'm also wondering, what about that 6th suspect? I believe his name is Patrick Rosemond. When is he going to be arraigned?
Yeah, Sherry, some of you may remember he's the one who was actually arrested in Georgia near Atlanta. He was supposed to be brought back to Hamilton County, and everyone was hoping he was going to be arraigned today with the others. However, he was not yet extradited to Hamilton County. They are hoping, though, he is sometime between now and tomorrow, and he can get arraigned sometime tomorrow.
All right, Karen Johnson live on this story that continues to unfold. Karen, thanks so much. Also,